Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
The lemonade came. It's hot outside. It's good to stay hydrated. Well, hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm filming from Sobotin. That's like a place in, let's say, east side of Czech Republic. And yeah, we have a couple of days off. And on top of that, a bridge day to connect it with the weekend. I decided to go out, and I do plan to show you what's around. Now, maybe you remember in a previous episode I was saying that it's important once in a while to take a break, okay, from the computer, from whatever you're programming or designing, or I don't know if you're doing some testing or project management, and definitely go out, enjoy nice weather, enjoy the nature. So I'm gonna share more with you about this place, a bit on the history, but not too much. I don't want to make it boring. And I'm gonna show you things that you can do here. And on top of that, another story from previous student of mine that was struggling to move to a full-time job and get a better offer for the work he was putting in. But I do want to spend a bit more time talking about this kind of, let's say, topic, this kind of issue, yeah, transitioning to a better job or transitioning to a full-time position as a UX UI designer. Now, the case I'm going to present, do consider the context and do consider that it's not a silver bullet. It doesn't work every time. Another important thing is that all those success stories I bring on the channel, believe it or not, there are people that had to put in 8, 9 months, 10 months of work at least. I can tell you for a fact, and I'm in this field for more than 12 years now. Training, mentoring, designing on a day-to-day basis, working with stakeholders, working with developers, and so on. So if you're interested, again, feel free to like and subscribe, share with friends or people that are interested in the topic. I would appreciate that. Definitely a good place, a place I want to return this resort. And the story, because I was telling you about the story, two brothers in the times of the Austro-Hungarian Empire that bought a factory here, and they managed to make it into production. They managed to actually work with the iron, because this area is known for iron extraction, and build cannons, guns, anything the army needed at the time. In the end, they managed to move, let's say, forward with their career and become aristocrats, nobles. Get a better angle at me like this, and at the resort, because I told you that I want to spend a bit of time to show you what's around, what you can actually see here if you ever decide to come to Sobotin. Now let's see what's here. Okay, what do we have? I need the sun glasses. Okay, I need my shades because I have the sun up. Well, basically right behind me over there, it's an outdoor swimming pool with restaurant and also with a bar, bowling alley, the tennis courts, and over here we have the gardens, and we're gonna go soon. And behind, it's also the main spa, swimming pool, indoor resort. Okay, sauna, massage treatment. I see plenty of people with families, people with their wife, kids. Over there it's a playground. Now we're gonna go in the main gardens. Definitely explore a bit the place for you to get a better idea. And over there they have some nice terrace. It's not the only one. They also have a nice library. I had to check it out. And terrace, yeah, with a whirlpool on the top of the other building. Okay, it's kind of behind us. Anyway, well, things don't stop here. This is gonna be a barbecue party this evening. I had to book a table and I'm really curious if the food is gonna be amazing. Okay, and something else I wanted to show you. I mentioned the boats. Oh, the boats are here. Yeah, so you can come at the lake, take the boat if you're already a guest. Yeah, you just need to ask for the keys at the reception. Oh, we have a nice fountain right behind me. With every step you see something new. Now, why is this important for designers? Because it helps us regenerate. It helps us come up with new ideas. I know everybody has it differently. Okay, when you travel, when you have a day off, you know, some people just rather stay at home, maybe do some things around the house. Again, that's perfectly fine. What do you do on your days off? Yeah, it's a question to the community. When you travel. And going back to the main topic of the story, here's the video from my student. I just find it funny how sometimes company wait until the last minute to make you a good offer that you would deserve and try to retain you as their employee since you're already offering plenty of value and helping growing their business. So let's give this a quick read. It says, "Hey Vlad, I got amazing news to share. Got an offer from company 1. The first offer was mind-blowing. I got the offer on Thursday, like 30 minutes after I spoke with the director of UX. When I told company 2, the agency I'm doing contract work for this morning, the owner was like, well, we want to offer you a full-time position. We were already talking about how great you're doing. We wanted to get you on full-time. So I spoke with the owner and he asked what the offer was. I told him and he was like, wow, that's mid-level pay. And then after a few minutes, he matched it. I couldn't believe it, so then I used that to counter offer at company 1 and they approved my counter offer, which was another 10k more. Absolutely insane. Anyways, I just wanted to share this news with you. I couldn't have done it without your amazing mentorship." And we're back. Okay, so as you've seen, the person managed in the end, okay, to transition to a new job, a new company. But again, it's just a bit tricky sometimes and sad that managers okay, will take a lot of time to wait the decision in order to give you a promotion or not, or okay, to smooth out the path. I think it's a lesson over there. Okay, whenever you feel stuck or whenever you feel that you know, hey, it's a dead end, because sometimes in life you might hit a dead end. You might be in a spot where you cannot move forward. You just need to look left and right if you cannot go straight, okay, and something will come out in the end. Because I highly doubted that you know, things are so gloom and you tried out everything and everyone is against you or against your ideas. I'm gonna stop here and it's a wrap. I think that yeah, wherever you are, you're in a good spot as long as you learn to take good care of yourself. You know, you learn also to enjoy time off, time with family, with friends, and at the same time you don't easily give up on your objective, on your idea, okay, but do put in the work. Everybody, like, no, Monday to Friday, well, 8 hours a day, so That's what it takes. And of course, after that, sky is the limit. Well, I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.